Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to spot fake profiles on Bumble. Spotting a fake profile on Bumble is essential to ensure a safe and genuine dating experience. Here are some tips to help you identify potential fake profiles. You can check profile photos. If a photo looks overly professional or model-like, they may be fake. You can also use image reverse search tools to see if the profile picture appears somewhere on the internet, specifically on different dating sites or stock photo websites. Also look for incomplete profiles. Fake profiles often have minimal information on the bio or no answer to prompts. A genuine user typically shares details about themselves. If they don't have any linked Instagram or Spotify account, it could be a red flag. Unusual language or grammar. Fake profile may have spelling or grammatical errors, or the language may seem awkward or robotic. Generic responses like if their message like personal touches or seem scripted, they might not be genuine. If the person responds too quickly or seem available 24/7, it could indicate they are not real. Also be cautious of profiles that seem excessively charming or have unrealistic attributes. For example, wealthy, perfect lifestyle. If the information in their bio contradicts their profile or other details, it may be a sign of a fake profile. Also avoid personal requests. Be wary of users asking for your phone number, email, or other personal information early on. Any request for money, even for good cause, is a significant red flag. No verification badge can also lead to a fake profile. Verify their linked social media accounts. An active profile with real friends and posts is a good sign, while a sparse or private account may be suspicious. If you suspect a profile is fake, report it to Bumble using the in-app reporting feature. If you are already matched and feel uneasy, unmatch the profile. By following these tips, you can enhance your ability to spot fake profile on Bumble and ensure a safer dating experience. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.